The last exercise is a bent over row. It's a staple of all my programs, and it's a really great exercise to master. In this exercise, we're combining two really critical pieces of human movement: the ability to create neutral spine and then hold it while you hip hinge, which just means you're not letting your spine move as you bend at the hips. This is the primary movement we do with almost every lower body exercise: squat, deadlift. Our spine is neutral while our hips are moving and our knees are moving as well. To do this, it's best to start standing with the stick as your mobile wall. What we'll do is we'll hinge at the hips like you see in the video and make sure that the space between Kaylee's spine and her low back and the space in her neck didn't change from the start till the end. What that shows us is her spine didn't move. You can see obviously her hips are moving, knees are moving, but her spine is not. Once you're comfortable with that, very similar to the overhead press, you need to be able to do it without the dowel behind your back with the exact same form. Obviously, we can't walk around holding the stick behind your back all the time. Once you can get the exact same results that you were with the stick without the stick, and we can verify that by using a mirror or videotaping yourself, the curves of your spine are the same at the start and the beginning. So once you can accomplish that, you're ready for the last piece. What we do now is take about 15 to 20% of our body weight and complete 2 sets of 12 of a bent over row. All that means is we're holding this hip hinge position while we're doing a rowing motion, scapular retraction with a little bit of shoulder extension and elbow flexion. That's just a rowing motion without letting any of the curves of our spine move. Once we can do that, you have the 4 cornerstones completed. We made it. And like I talked about, the completion of these 4 cornerstones of good posture really indicate that you have the mobility and strength to hold neutral during your daily activities and some basic workout tasks. While it's not everything, there's obviously a ton of room to go for your more specific goals. This is the first step we try to get everybody to in Align Online programs. Once you make it here, you can say you have good posture. Over time, I've found these standards to be really effective, and they're the closest we can get to a guarantee.